Welcome back. In our previous lesson, we established why the rowan is known as the wizard's tree. Today, we're putting that theory into practice. We are crafting the traditional Rowan Cross. Now, this isn't just a simple decoration. It's a charm steeped in centuries of British folklore, a powerful tool for protection. As the old rhyme warns us, rowan tree and red thried, gar the witches tyne their speed. That means it'll stop negative influences in their tracks. So, pay close attention. The details really do matter. We're about to make something truly special, connecting with an ancient practice that has been passed down through generations. Let's begin. The first and most fundamental law when handling rowan is this: the wood must never touch steel. Using a knife, saw, or any kind of metal blade is said to sever the wood's connection to the protective spirit of the tree. It essentially kills the magic. So, we do not cut. Instead, we look for branches that have naturally fallen, or we snap them carefully by hand. And when we do, we always ask the tree for its permission, giving thanks for its gift. That respect, that connection, is the very heart of the magic. If you're finding this level of traditional detail helpful, please consider telling a friend about our videos and subscribing. We're moving towards our 1,000 subscriber goal, and every single one of you helps us get there. Your support means we can continue sharing these old ways. Now, for the binding, we use red thread. In folklore, red is the color of life, of vitality, and of protective boundaries. It's the color of blood, of power. We take our two pieces of rowan and bind them into an equal-armed cross. This shape is incredibly significant. It represents the balance of the four elements: earth, air, fire, and water, and the four sacred directions. As you wrap the wool around the intersection, don't rush. This is the moment to focus your intent. Think about the threshold you wish to protect, whether it's your home, your family, or your own personal energy. The thread isn't just holding the wood together, it's binding your will, your intention, into the charm, charging it with purpose. Once your Rowan Cross is complete, it's time to place it. Traditionally, you would hang it over your front door, the main threshold to your home, acting as a silent sentry against any negativity trying to enter. You can also keep a smaller one in your vehicle for protection while traveling. It's a constant, quiet guardian. Now, this is just the beginning. In part 3, we'll be discussing the harvesting and use of the rowan berries, arguably the most potent part of the tree. There is so much more to explore. Make sure you are subscribed with notifications turned on so you don't miss the conclusion to our series. Keep it magic. Blessed be.